Do you like Valentine's Day?
No, because I think that love should be every day instead of just one day.
I do like Valentine's Day because even though I'm not in a relationship, my mom still makes it like a happy and special day for me by getting me like flowers and chocolates.
No.
Yes, I love Valentine's Day.
No.
Yes, because no matter who you spend it with, they can make it special for you.
No, I think it is the most pointless holiday to ever exist.
With Valentine's Day just around the corner, many single people are dreading the highly romanticized day. Everywhere you turn, you can expect to see heart-shaped candies, overpriced bouquets, and PDA. Roughly 3 out of every 10 adults in the US are not in a relationship. With that being the case, the 14th is a nightmare for some. But for other singles, it is like any other Friday. Senior at Downers Grove North, Ashley Romanahis talks on what affects her opinions on Valentine's Day.
I think what influences my thoughts and feelings about being single on Valentine's Day is often the pressure from society and social media to be in a romantic relationship. I feel like it can sometimes make us feel like we're missing out on things or that being single on Valentine's Day is a negative thing.
As someone who relates to Romanahis and has never been in a relationship on Valentine's Day, I have experienced how lonely it can feel being single on that day. Being in high school, in particular, can make that day seem very overwhelming, as relationships seem to be sprouting all around. Senior at Downers Grove South, Krista Demos has experienced Valentine's Day being in a relationship and single.
I would definitely say that social media plays a big part on Valentine's Day because a lot of people post TikToks or other things on social media that can make people potentially feel bad about Valentine's Day. But I've also seen people make Valentine's Day baskets and say that they like to spend it with their significant other as well.
After 17 years of spending my Valentine's Day single, I have learned that it should not be viewed as a negative thing. Valentine's Day is just like any other day, and it is what you choose to make of it that is more important. Even though Raminahez doesn't have a significant other to spend the holiday with, she does not let that stop her from enjoying her day.
It makes me feel a bit upset, but also happy just because I know I'll be celebrating Valentine's with my friends.
Valentine's Day has become a highly romantic relationship-based day. But what about all of the other important relationships in people's life? Valentine's Day doesn't have to be a day just for couples. For example, every year, my parents always make sure to show how much they love me by simple gestures such as buying me flowers or some chocolate-covered strawberries. Demos has had similar experiences on Valentine's Day, whether being with a partner or when she was single.
Being single on Valentine's Day is always a positive thing too, because you know there is people there for you who even aren't your Valentine. Like every year my mom also gets me something on Valentine's Day, so it's just the little things and the people you surround yourself with that matters.
If you happen to be single on Valentine's Day and are feeling down about it, just know that it is normal to feel that way, but that there are so many ways that you can spend your day and still have fun. Valentine's Day doesn't need to be a day that makes you feel anything less than valued. You can enjoy the day and still celebrate the festivities by dressing up in pink and red and eating some delicious chocolate. My name is Brooke Spindler. Thanks for listening to the Blueprint News Network in Downers Grove.